Stu Beans here.
And Edye Beans. We are from the Little House of Beans.
Today, we would like to talk about something very serious, extremely serious. If you haven't noticed, on our Facebook group, what's the name of the Facebook group?
Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans.
We have officially hit 10,000 group members.
Thank you all.
Jazz hands. Jazz hands. And so if you guys have been following our YouTube channel or you're members of the Facebook group, you know that we give stuff away when we have something to celebrate. So we're going to give away 3 different prizes.
Do us a huge favor if you haven't already. Give us a huge thumbs up, smooshy that like button, and of course, please subscribe to the Little House of Beans.
Now, this giveaway is only for our YouTube subscribers who are also members of our Facebook group. Links to both of those down below. Shall we get into it?
We shall.
3 different prizes. 3rd place prize. Edie,
Sure.
what are we winning?
3rd place winner will receive, look at this guys, an insulated bottle. I'm gonna open this up. This is a really pretty, like a red orange maybe. Look at this. I love that. I have a,
The second you open it, it's used.
it's not used. Just want them to see the inside. Look, and there's another cap here. It's an insulated bottle, stainless, love it. So this is for 3rd place, along with a little funnel lid. You know what this is about, right? Put it right in the middle of the Omnia in that little hole so food doesn't go all over the place as you're pouring or scooping things in, and I am guilty of making a mess sometimes. So this is 3rd place, the new Omnia insulated bottle and the funnel lid.
Make it dance. Okay. For our 2nd place winner, we'll slide this over to you, Edie.
All right. 2nd place winner will receive the Omnia oven with its 3 parts. And 2nd place will also receive the Omnia silicone molds. So you have the 4, right? You have the 4 quarters and you have the 2 halves. And 2nd place will receive the silicone lid to the Omnia oven in red. So 2nd place, the Omnia oven, the silicone dividers, and the silicone lid.
All right, now we're really giving it away for the 1st prize winner.
Wow, I see what's in that pile.
We're
1st place,
We're really giving it away.
lucky winner.
We should take a quick moment to thank the Omnia family who gives us these products to give away to you. So thank you, fellas. We appreciate it. And let's get to the 1st prize winner.
Thank you, Gustav and Eric.
And Goran.
1st prize.
And Goran.
And Goran, Dad.
And the kids.
Of course, and the entire family, the entire Omnia family. We thank you.
What about distant cousins?
No.
Okay. 1st prize.
1st prize. You guys get, well, 1 lucky winner will get the Omnia Maxi pan. And the 6-pack mold.
For the Maxi.
For the Maxi, of course.
You don't see these often, do you?
And
The new product.
the silicone lid. And the insulated bottle, but in this beautiful maroon color.
And
the upper Omnia oven rack.
which fits on either the Maxi or the regular Omnia, as does this last little item that fits on both.
Of course, the funnel lid. 1st place winner. So let me recap. For the 1st place grand prize winner, we have the Maxi Pack We have the silicone molds, the insulated bottle, the Omnia lid, the upper oven rack, and the funnel lid.
Details will be in the description below for this video, along with the instructions on how to be eligible for these 3 items. Now, if we can just say that everybody who wants to win this stuff should comment on this video, happy 10K. If you comment on this video, happy 10K, you are eligible for this stuff as long as you're a subscriber and a member of our Facebook group. So 3 things: Facebook group, YouTube subscriber, happy 10K on this video. Pretty easy, right?
It's very easy,
Can
but
I-
we'll still have questions.
Can I win?
Absolutely not.
Can you win?
No family members can enter to win.
What
Or
about-
distant cousins. None.
No distant cousins.
No.
All right. So we thank you all very much for watching our videos. It's always inspiring to have conversations in my house of what are we going to cook and does it work in the Omnia oven? Should we not do it in the Omnia oven because we're just hungry and we want to cook inside? We like sharing all of our culinary adventures, whether they're in the house or at the campground or in the backyard. We like sharing everything.
Thank you again to everyone who has subscribed and to everyone who made us reach the 10K. It is absolutely appreciated. Good luck to the lucky 3 winners. Keep sharing, keep posting videos and pictures and recipes. I love to see them. I love reading them. So good luck, everyone.
See ya.
Bye.